And what you do when you know you are coming to the chairman's place, For you come up. Whenever you come into an area, you are supposed to tell us, we are go and do whatever you want. Now, my advice to you, Afande, is whoever is bringing confusion, like this man, where is he? Take him. No problem with this side. You have no problem. Apart from the other side. They have gotten. What is true is that they received money and they have been getting money alone. When I negotiated with them, they wanted 36 million. I told them, no, a stone is very expensive. Here I will give you 90 million per acre. And we agreed on 90. And I said, but for now, because of the initial investments I'm putting in, I don't have the 90. So I will pay you as we keep on working. So I have been paying them. The other one received 18 million, the other one has received 6 million, the other one has received 4 million, depending on the size. But the whole is 90 million for 1 acre. Now, because UNRWA has not paid to China Railway 18, the balance has delayed to come. And they have gone to court asking for that balance plus interest. I may have said, yes, it is true they have a balance which I'm going to pay as soon as UNRWA pays. But then as that is going on in court, they come here and say, no, no worker should go on. They need to pay the people working on Tororo Busia Road and the ones who took the stones. And because they delayed, they have stopped working. So now it is caused a delay to pay the balance for the stones. And so we are working on the balance to pay the boys. But for them, they were misadvised by political opponents to go to court. But in court, they said, yes, we want our balance. And we are saying, yes, UNRWA is arranging the payment, and we shall give you your balance. Then they say, yes, much as we are going to get our balance, nothing should go on, whether court has decided or not. Do things work like that? You want balance and you want the property at the same time. Can that work? And it is not
entered an agreement with the younger boy, my younger brother, to buy a piece of land measuring 200 meters, 200 feet by 200 feet. Actually, when they entered an agreement, I have it here even. The agreement is here. He paid only 2 millions out of the 90 millions they had agreed in the agreement. So now he has been picking, he blasted the first round. He took about 240 Sino trucks, the Chinese Sino trucks. and he sold it off. He didn't pay the younger man even a single coin. Next, he has come back at the next round. He has blasted. He has taken about 180 single trucks. He's supplying the Chinese who are constructing Tororo Busia Road. So now today, when he came back, the boys came and then they said, let him kill them and die, but he cannot be continuing to take it out their land on free. How can you pay 2 million out of the 90 million? And then you come with the police officers who are not from Busia, you start threatening younger boys.
Yes. Did you get the money or no? Did you get the money? You have to know. Did you get the money or no? Did you receive any money? Okay. So bad. Let's go.
One is Okumu Ali. That one leased. He leased his piece of land. He leased. They agreed to 20 million per annum. They agreed 20 million per annum. On our side, we waited an agreement of selling, and the agreement is here. We wanted to sell him. He paid 2 million shillings cash. Then he said, after 2 months, I am going to pay the balance. And the date was the 4th of September 2022. We have been summoning him. We have been alerting him. Even we have the attention to shoot. It is here where we wrote him. The boy is the one who signed.
The owner of the other side there, the other side, which they are stopping LC5 to carry. That is all. Because of the agreement we did of 1 month, of two months, which have already ended long time. When we try to ask the chairman to come and make a new agreement, he can't accept. That's the problem. Only when I came today and I asked, this issue is already in the High Court, but right now, again they are carrying our stone, who is going to pay us money. Yet he has already refused to do what? To do a new agreement. That's my solution only. So when I asked like that, there's an officer who came and wanted to arrest me. So I was trying to defend myself. This man tried to cock the gun so that he can shoot, but for me I tried to challenge him so that he did shoot me.